I've made the decision not to attend events in the White House this year as a principled stance against the call for the mass expulsion of the Palestinian people from Gaza, something which I believe demands serious dissent and serious objection. The ties between Ireland and the United States are historic and they run deep. There are deep bonds between Sinn Féin and the people of the United States who supported peace and prosperity in Ireland. These relationships are valuable and enduring. But there is also an onus on us to speak honestly and to act when we believe the US administration is wrong, catastrophically so in the case of Palestine. The only route to peace and security is a permanent ceasefire, followed by a negotiated settlement that guarantees peace and security for both Palestinians and Israelis through a just and sustainable two-state solution. And that should be the position of the United States. I think the Taoiseach will go. I think the Taoiseach has to go. This, in its essence, is a bilateral meeting between the President of the United States of the day and the Taoiseach of the day. I think it is very important that the Taoiseach, as the person who speaks for Ireland, not just for the government, but for the Irish people on St. Patrick's Day, that opportunity is availed of, and that the issues I have outlined in respect of Palestine, in respect of Gaza, in respect of this call and threat that now hangs over the Palestinian people, that the Taoiseach takes his opportunity to address those matters directly and with great force with the American president. I hope and I expect that he will do that. We haven't taken this decision lightly. We have worked for a long time with very good people in the United States of America to make really important progress here in Ireland. We're very conscious of the economic ties and links, but we are at a moment where we have to insist that the kind of principled stand that the United States took in a constructive way to help us build peace and resolve conflict in Ireland, that same standard applies for the Palestinian people.